I am Vanessa, and for today's video, we're gonna be cooking pinakbet. And for the ingredients, see our shopping list. For the first procedure, we will slice our onion and garlic into minced slices. Then, slice the tomato vertically. Then, we will wash our vegetables thoroughly. Now, we will preheat the pan with oil, and when the pot is hot, we will saute our ground pork. When the ground pork turns to golden brown, we can now saute our garlic, onion, tomato, together with our green chili. When the garlic turns to golden brown, we can now add the onion. Saute until it turns to golden brown. Then, we can now add our vegetables. We can now add our spices, starting with our bagoong. Then, we will mix it thoroughly before adding the water. Then, mix it thoroughly and wait until it boils. Then, we can now taste it to find out if it is ready to serve or not. In my case, it still lacks flavor, so I add some fish sauce. Mix it thoroughly and taste again.